Hello children, it is grade 5 block 6 and S1. Topic is parts of a seed presented by Caroline teacher. So in this lesson today you are going to learn what parts of the seed helps it to grow into a new plant. Or how many parts does a seed have? This is important. How many parts does a seed have and what parts of the seed help it to grow into a new plant? Just you can see the picture over here, right? You can see the parts. Here you can see outer covering. This is called the outer covering of a seed. This is called a seed coat. Seed coat or a outer covering. The outer covering of the seed is called the seed coat, right? So what is the function of this seed coat? The seed coat protects the inner parts of the seed, right? So before this, I will tell you every seed has an outer covering, isn't it? Every seed will have an outer covering, so called a seed coat. So this seed coat, what it will do? It protects the inner part of the seed and also it prevents from drying. And below the seed coat, here this is called a cotyledon, right? So below the seed it is called a cotyledon, right? What is the function of the cotyledon? Here the cotyledon stores food and provide nourishment to the seed till it turns into a new plant, right? Now here we will see this part. Can you see this? This is called hilum. What is this called? Hilum. This is a scar, visible scar, like a curving. Can you see? This is called the hilum. It marks the point where the seed was attached to its pot, right? Now we will see here. This is called radicle. Can you see the tiny root like structure seen on splitting the seed in is called the radicle, right? So what is radicle over here? So the radicle is a root part, right? It is a root part. Now this is called a plumule. What is this called? Plumule. So the leaf like structure is called the plumule, right? So this is scar point is called a hilum. So what this hilum is the point by which the seed was joined into the fruit. So here these are called the parts of a seed. So in the seeds also you can see here you can see these two cotyledons, right? So the two cotyledons, in some seeds you will find two cotyledons, right? In seeds of some plants like beans, grams, groundnuts, two cotyledons you will find. So these two cotyledons are called dicotyledons, right? And in few seeds you will find one cotyledon like rice, wheat, maize. So these are called monocotyledon, right children? Okay, now open your workbook and okay, now before that workbook I'll tell you one thing. So what is the function of this plumule? Okay, right? So here what the seed will do. So what are the functions of seed you have seen? So the process by which a seed starts to grow into a new plant is called a germination. So here already you have learned seeds are classified into two, monocot and dicotyledon, right? So here now one more thing you want to learn. Here radicle forms the root of the plant as it has a hair-like structure, radicle, and here plumule forms the shoot as it has the leaf-like structure, right children? Okay, now open your workbooks, right? In this workbook, page number 34, okay, page number 34, and from your reader it is 40. Just you read out this, underline the hard words. Okay, now turn to workbook. It is page number 34 and see here parts of a seed and how you have to write here. This is dicotyledon and this is monocotyledon, right? So you have to here what they have given, label the parts of seed and state the function of each. You must label monocot and dicot same. So first you will go with the first one is here. Which one you will go? seed coat. Here you have to draw the arrow from here to here, and here to here you write seed coat. Second one, here you can see plumule, and here also plumule. Here to here draw a line and write plumule. Next one, you go with cotyledon. Here cotyledon and here cotyledon. Draw a line and write cotyledon. And write the functions of seed coat, okay, plumule and cotyledon. Already I explained you the functions of seed coat, the function of plumule and the function of cotyledon you have to write over here. And in the second one, you can see which of the following seed is a monocot. Cashew nut, rice and pea. Rice is a monocotyledon. Why rice is called a monocotyledon? Why they have asked? Rice, as it has one cotyledon, you must write. Rice is a monocotyledon, as it has a one cotyledon, you have to write. Next one, if the cotyledons of a dicot seed are separated, will the seed grow into a plant? Give reason. Here they have answer. So here, if the cotyledon of a dicot seed are separated, it will not grow into a plant because the cotyledons required for both radicle and plumule to form. That answer you have to write. Now turn to page number from your reader 44. Go to define germination. Already I told you what is germination. The process of what I have said. The process by which a seed starts to grow into a plant is called a germination. You have to write. And write the functions of each of following parts of a seed. Seed coat and cotyledon already I have explained. And here also you can see about the seed coat and the cotyledon. Here it is there. And just you read and write of functions. How are radicle and plumule different from each other? How the radicle and plumule are different from each other? And here you have to write the answer is radicle and plumule they have asked over here. So here radicle is the root forming part of the seed and plumule is the stem forming part of the seed, right? So here define germination means the process by which a seed starts to grow into a new plant is called a germination, right children? Now what you will do, turn to page number 41 and complete this diagram in your reader on the left side, right? Draw neatly and label it with pencil. Color it as it is, you color it and label it with pencil, right? Thank you.